Morning to all the parents and the students. Hope you all are doing fine at home. I am here to present you the first PU results analysis, which we had to declare on 27th March, but due to lockdown, as per the PU board rules, now we are declaring it on 5th May. So I just wanted to share the piece of information with all the parents and the students. On the outset, let me first congratulate all the students on your results. And this is not the end of the journey. So whoever has got whatever you were expecting, good, congratulations. And whoever are falling short of what you were expecting, you have not got to that level. There is always second PU and we can always work on it and we can do always better than our previous year performances. So there is nothing to feel sad, be more motivated, encourage yourself to perform better and better in the upcoming tests and examinations. Coming to the results, we had 369 students were there who attended the exam in the first year. So your batch had 369 students, out of which 192 were bio, 73 electronics and 104 computer science students. I am very happy to share we have got 100% results. So all the students have passed, and if I have to give you the number of distinctions in the college are 262 and number of first class is 10. So majority of the students in the college have got distinctions. That's a very good sign. And first class is 100. Definitely these first class students can aim for distinction in the upcoming year. And second class and third class we have got together 7 students. Coming to the next slide. As you can see the result analysis here, we have got 73 students who have got 95 to 100. That's almost like 20% of the students have secured above 95. That's a very good sign once again. They all could be the potential rank holders in the second PU for the entire Karnataka state. And 90 to 94.9% we have got 113 students, 30% of it. That's a major chunk. So major chunk of students are between 90 to 94.9%. 85 to 89.9 we have 76 students, which roughly comes up to 21%. And 80 to 85% we have 48 students, which is up to 13%. And 70 to 79 we have 35 students, which roughly comes up to 9% of the strength, 9.5. 60 to 69% of the students have got 70 students have got 60 to 69%, which is roughly 4 to 5%. And the remaining 2% are the 7 students at the end. So, the happiest part of this particular slide is to see the majority chunk lying between 85 above. So that's a good sign. There is always a scope of improvement. Coming to the rank holders, I would like to congratulate Suhas P. Shroff and Vrunda V, respectively from F and D section, who have secured the first rank in the college. Congratulations. You have secured 596, 99.33% is the highest percentage in the college. I congratulate Suhas and Vrunda once again. Second rank is Manoj ES from C section, who has secured 594, which is 99%. Meghana stands at third place from F section, 592. Rajanya Hegde stands at fourth place from D section, 591. Nidhi and Shruti are sharing the fifth position from F and D section respectively. They have secured 590 out of 600. Lasya stands at 6th place. She is from D section, 589 is the total. Ila from C section stands at 7th rank and she has got 588, that's 98%. 8th rank is by Ankita A, who is from F section, and she's got 587. So that's the top 8. Coming to the next, 9th rank and 10th rank. 9th rank is shared by 3 students, Ananya from C, Asma from D, Prarthana Ganesh from C. All the 3 have secured 586, that's 97.67. And the 10th rank is shared by the 4 students, Abhay, Abhigna, Gayatri and Srividya from B, C, B, E section respectively. They have secured 585, that's 97.5%. So I congratulate these top 10 rank holders of the college. There are around 17 students in this list. Congratulations to them once again. A special mention of these 3 students who have secured out of out in the 4 subjects, that is 400 on 400, in PCME, PCMC and PCMC. Let me take out the names: Suhas, Manoj and Nidhi. So a special call out for these 3 students to secure very good marks. Congratulations. Now coming to centums, subject wise hundreds. Physics stands at 24 hundreds, chemistry stands at 19 hundreds, mathematics stands at 18 hundreds, bio 15 hundreds, Sanskrit 15 hundreds, computer science 9 hundreds, electronics 6, Hindi 2, Kannada 1. Total we have got 109 number of centums this academic year. Congratulations to all the students. Now, this is the section wise, the previous year section A to F. Section wise, these are the distinctions and the first class. You can have a view of it, how many distinctions and first class from the every section has been achieved. So, dear students, so that's all for the result analysis. Thank you once again. And as the Honorary Secretary Sir announced on the college inaugural day that the first 30 students would be getting a scholarship from our side. So based on the top 30 students, this time we have the top 31, actually top 31 are there, from the total of 596 to the total of 580 to 596. These students come under the list of scholarships, about which we will be giving you the details very soon. So congratulations to those 31 students who have got scholarships from the RVPU college and the management. And also to mention once again, there is no revaluation, retotaling or rechecking of the papers which has been valued in the first year. This is as per the PU board rules. Every year this is the rule. So there is no inquiry which is entertained with respect to your changes in marks. So whatever marks you have got is the final marks. Once again, congratulations to all the students and wish you all the best for your second year syllabus which is starting now. You all are attending the online classes. So continue the same thing. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you very much.